with regard to the analysis, then, like, how do you start to get through all that data you generate? Because you have, I imagine images at different levels of magnification, and then probably different analysis routines that you may want to run on that. And you may not know in advance, which analyses you want to test until you actually can visualize some of what the, high magnification images look like. So what's your approach to that?
Yeah, well, that really brings up the core of what we do. It's really built around a relational database that we've designed that gives all of the data and the metadata associated with the experiments a home. And this is actually a rare thing in histology. Relational databases are incredibly powerful. They're everywhere. If you have big data sets, you absolutely need them. Traditionally, with histology, they're just not used. So what ends up happening, and anybody who's done histology academically will know this, what ends up happening is you can do a very small experiment with a very small number of animals or a very small number of sections, a few images, and analyze them for a paper, and you're okay. As soon as you try to scale that up at all, you're completely lost, because now you've got 17,000 images and they're representing different conditions, different brain locations, all that stuff, and you're lost. You just don't know what to do with the data. That's the problem that we've solved with our expert system. Everything has a home, and that then allows us to very quickly go through all the steps you mentioned. Right, we can at any point in the processing, we can look in, see what the data look like, and make decisions on further processing steps. And that's all done through our what we call our expert web interface. It's a web-based user interface that is really a window onto the relational database and allows us internally, and also our customers, if they choose to purchase an instance of the database of the web interface, it allows the scientists to do all of the analysis in a supercharged way. I mean, literally, a lot of the data sets we have tens of thousands of images associated with them. And the scientist does not have to know anything about that, because they're just seeing the variables that they want and acting according to that.